Let's talk about .com giftshop large blue floral storage bag with zip strong and durable 55 by 48 by 28 cm 70 liters paisley. Large and durable reusable eco-friendly laundry and storage bag. Made from recycled plastic bottles, can be zipped closed, and has strong nylon handles. Perfect for storing bedding, duvets, clothes, laundry and toys. Useful for when you move house and for taking in the car on road trips. Holds 70 liters length, 55 centimeters, width, 28 centimeters, height, 48 centimeters. I bought several of these a couple of years ago and they have been great. I recently needed more so ordered this and 2 others. The first impression was not good. The material is more brittle than the bags I bought previously. In fact, it reminded me of one I bought in a market a couple of months ago that fell apart almost straight away. I used it in good faith for carrying clothes for a car boot. Just lifting the bag out of the boot, by the handles, was enough to rip it apart. Not happy, and my unfavorable first impressions were unfortunately borne out. Not really fit for a purpose. You can get the same poor quality in your local market and pay a third of the price for I have bought about 7 of these that are brilliant for moving. I have everyone's bedding and bits in them, so easy to locate to make up beds when we arrive at our new house. I also use them for storing my jumpers. They are very roomy, strong, and so far the zips are good. I think that you can find loads of uses for them, and they fold up small to pop in a drawer when not in use. Being recycled, they are good for the environment too. Highly recommend.